Hey, what's up, tubers? Today I'd like to do an unboxing of a leather holster that Craft Holsters sent me. I've been getting into leather holsters lately, and this one definitely looks like something I'd be interested in. I like good quality leather, and that's what Craft Holsters seems to produce, is really good quality leather. So let's do an unboxing and take a look at it. Oh, this was nice. Hey Luke, your first custom holster is here, and I hope you really love it. Al. That's pretty nice. I don't think anybody's ever sent me a personal message before. Okay. So, handcrafted, produced by Falco Holsters. This is mahogany leather for right-handed shooter. And of course, I had to get it for my Hk P30L, aka John Wick gun. Alright, let's take it out of here and see what we got. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, it's got a good look to it. Alright, let's Hk P30L. Let's see how she fits. Seems to fit good. Not too loose or... Yeah. Let me see, there's something else in here. Okay, so right here is a small break-in kit. And it's a liquid and a wool dauber and microfiber cloth. A small kit for easy break-in and basic care of your custom leather holster. Let's open up the break-in kit and see what it comes inside. Okay, you got like a little dabber. You got the break-in liquid. And the microfiber cloth. Let me look at these instructions. I've never done this before. It says, apply the break-in liquid to the parts of your holster that need to be loosened. It is a little stiff, and I would like to kind of maybe loosen it up a little bit. So apply the break-in liquid to the parts of your holster that need to be loosened. Use the wool dauber to spread the liquid and let the leather soak it. Stretch the leather to loosen the fit, or place the gun in a plastic bag inside the holster by force. Let it dry overnight. Leather will be retained and adjusted to the fit. Okay. Well, before I add any type of liquid to it, I'm just gonna let the holster stay in there for a few days to see if it doesn't conform to the gun by itself without me having to do anything. But if it still seems to be shoot, it's in there though. Look at this. It's not coming out. I think the thing with leather is just the more you use it, the more it breaks it in. And it's just not like those Kydex holsters that is just like, one fit right away and that's it for life. Leather's a little bit, but it's not falling out there, that's for sure. Okay, yeah, I like it. I like the look of it too. I like it kind of like a reddish brown, kind of like a rust color. So, looks nice. Okay, I'll be doing my full review of the holster in a few days after I kind of, use it a little bit and break her in. So look forward to that. But just wanted to do an unboxing today and let you all know this can be swapped out with the Allen key. All you gotta do is just undo that, and you can take the paddle off and put a belt loop holder on there. So that's what I wanted. I want something that you could swap that out with anything. Yeah. All right. Well, it's pretty nice. I like it. I'd like to thank Craft Holsters for sending it out to me, and be sure to check the link in the description if you want one like it. Okay, guys. I'll see you soon. Take care.